In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your CTR in Google Ads. Now, whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your advertising game, ensuring a high click-through rate or CTR is crucial for success in your online marketing strategy. This video will guide you through 6 essential steps to achieve this. To kick things off, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google Ads. If you're not already familiar, Google Ads is an online advertising service developed by Google to help businesses reach their potential customers more effectively. Here you can place ads that appear on Google search results and on non-search websites, mobile apps and videos. Once you've reached the Google Ads homepage, take a moment to locate and click the Sign In button. This step is pretty straightforward. When you click Sign In, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is where you can access and manage all your advertising campaigns. Now, it's time to delve into your campaigns, locate the campaign tab and give it a click. The campaign page will show you all your active and paused campaigns, allowing you to see what's working and where there's room for improvement. This comprehensive overview is invaluable for tweaking your ads to boost CTR. Next up, navigate to the Assets section. This area is where you store and manage the various elements that make up your ads, like images, videos, and call to action buttons. Assets play a significant role in how your ads perform, so it's worth investing some time here to organize and optimize them for success. A critical step in enhancing your CTR involves utilizing all available ad extensions. Ad extensions are extra bits of information you can append to your ad, such as location, call buttons, or additional website links. They provide more value to your potential customers by delivering additional useful information, potentially leading to more clicks. Google's system allows you to add these extensions relatively easily, so be sure to take advantage of them to make your ads more engaging and informative. And that wraps it up. By following these steps, you'll be better positioned to improve your CTR in Google Ads. Remember, the key to increasing CTR is to continuously test and refine your ads. With the right strategies in place, you'll attract more clicks, which can lead to increased site traffic and sales. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and informative. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on enhancing your online advertising efforts.